Welcome to lasa.africa. Today we can show the processing of a LSA VGL B33Y. Let's go and open a box. For the first step, you require 1 part 1, 2 part 2s, 4 part 3s. Let's assemble. Step, you require 1 part 1, 4 part 3s. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require 1 part 1, 4 part 3s. For the next step, you require part number 5, the anti-tipping. Please refer to our manual how to install. Thank you. Thank you for watching the processing of a LSA VGL B33Y. Please go to the website www.lasa.africa to view more for our product assemblies, more for our products. Thank you.